terror suspects have been arrested by the Department of State Services operatives who stormed the Trademore Estate in the Lugbe area of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. The security operatives were said to have shut the entrance and exit gates of the estate while the operation lasted. It was gathered that the two suspects, said to be siblings, were taken into custody on an allegation of terrorism. This happened less than 24 hours after the United States and the United Kingdom warned of a possible terror attack in Abuja, especially targeted at government buildings, places of worship and schools, amongst others. Following this development, the U.S. government has authorized the departure of its non-essential employees and their families from Nigeria. The U.S. State Department announced this in its updated Nigeria travel advisory on Tuesday evening. Residents of Trademore Estate who spoke to newsmen claimed the operation was carried out by the DSS and some foreign security operatives. Speaking on the condition of anonymity, a resident disclosed that residents of the estate were practically held hostage during the operation. He stated, when contacted, the chairman of the estate, Adewale Adenaike, confirmed the security operation but declined further comment. How do you think the nation can curb terrorism?